For today's lab, we're going to take a topographic map and turn it into a 3D version of the map itself. So the map we're going to use is called Panther Island. It's a fictional island, doesn't really exist. But we're going to cut this map out by the contour lines and then actually construct the layers so that the island rises above the tabletop. So what you're going to need are 4 sheets of foam. Each group will be given 5, but you should be able to do it in 4. You get no more than the 5. And we'll show you how you cut this out and put it together. So the first thing you're going to do is take the map and you're going to cut out the outer perimeter of the entire island. That's the part of the island that's actually down at the water where the beach is. Next, you're going to take that cutout of the whole island and place it on one of the pieces of foam and try to position the island, each piece you're going to be cutting out, near an edge so that you'll have space you can use for other pieces as we get down to these smaller and smaller chunks over here. So you place it on there and then you trace the outline. Now we're going to cut this out with the scissors and start stacking. So here's our perimeter of the entire island. Looks pretty close to the actual original picture. Now the next thing to do, you're going to set this aside. This is now done. Put this first piece aside. And now you're going to cut out the next contour interval on here. Just follow the lines all the way around. We'll cut that one out. Make sure you save the outer piece. You're going to need that for placement. All right, so this is the second contour cut out. Here's the original piece, just to show you how that looks. That would fit on there. Okay. And now, notice how it's getting a little smaller. We're going to go trace this onto another piece of foam and cut it out. And then we're going to be able to use this outline here to help us guide it to layer up. Okay. We'll cut out the second layer and then show you how to attach it to the first layer. Okay, so now our second layer, here is the first layer with the cutout that was for the second layer. And now that'll help you, if I line this up well, which it is not right now, get it to line up right on top of the first layer. And that will guide you as to where to put this second layer. Get it in there the best you can, making sure it fits nice. That kind of shows you a couple things. It kind of helps you get to where the gradual slopes are. And over here we got a cliff, so a couple layers will be stacking up even higher there. And once that's all set nice, you can staple a few places in the middle here. Don't go crazy with staples, maybe 4 staples. Get in the middle because the next layer will hide the staples. And after this is attached, we're going to go back to the form, cut the next layer, and then trace this piece that's left on another piece of foam and start stacking them higher and higher. So when you do separate into 2, again, you're going to need this piece to actually place these foam in the right location. So this is a chance now to use some of the foam you've already used. You can probably squeeze some pieces on to the used foam. Again, try to go into a corner to use up as much as possible so you can have some more to use later. Or in this piece, which is from the very first one, is even smaller. I can find a nice little spot, trace and cut. And then those cutouts can then be placed properly using this. All right, guys, have fun.